When people talk about the future of money, one word comes up over and over again: Ethereum. But what is it really? And could it actually change the way finance works forever? To answer that, we need to look at what makes Ethereum unique, why it's so powerful, and whether it can truly reshape the financial world. Ethereum isn't just another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. While Bitcoin was designed mainly as digital money or a store of value, Ethereum is more like a global computer. It allows developers to build applications that run on blockchain technology. These apps, called decentralized applications or dApps, don't rely on banks, governments, or big corporations to operate. Instead, they run automatically through something called smart contracts. Imagine agreements written directly into code. If one condition is met, the contract executes instantly without middlemen. This innovation is what powers decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is like reimagining the entire financial system without banks. On Ethereum, people can lend money, borrow, trade, or even earn interest, all directly with each other. Imagine sending money overseas. Normally, that could take days and cost high fees through traditional banks. With Ethereum, the transfer can happen in minutes, at a fraction of the cost. Or think about savings. Instead of depositing into a bank, users can lend digital assets through DeFi platforms and start earning interest instantly, 24/7. For example, imagine you wanted to send money overseas. Traditionally, it could take days and cost hefty fees. On Ethereum, you could transfer value in minutes, often for a fraction of the cost. Or, let's say, you want to earn interest on your savings. Instead of parking money in a bank, you could lend stablecoins on a DeFi platform and earn potentially higher returns, available 24/7, with no banker in sight. But before we declare Ethereum as the future of finance, we need to acknowledge the challenges. First, scalability. Ethereum has struggled with high gas fees and slow transaction speeds, especially when millions of users pile in at once. The Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, which introduced proof of stake, is designed to solve this by making the network more efficient and environmentally friendly. Still, the system is evolving, and solutions like Layer 2 scaling are being tested. Second, regulation. Governments are paying close attention to crypto, and Ethereum is no exception. As DeFi grows, regulators want to make sure it doesn't become a wild west of scams, hacks, and financial instability. How Ethereum adapts to regulation will play a big role in its future. Third, competition. Ethereum was the first to popularize smart contracts, but now there are other blockchains like Solana, Cardano, and Avalanche that are faster or cheaper. The big question is, can Ethereum maintain its dominance, or will it lose ground to newer technologies? Still, Ethereum has a massive advantage: its community and developer base. Thousands of developers are building on Ethereum every day, creating everything from decentralized exchanges to NFTs, gaming platforms, and even identity systems. This network effect makes it harder for competitors to catch up. So, is Ethereum the future of finance? The honest answer is, it could be. Ethereum has already proven that decentralized finance is possible, and it continues to grow at an incredible pace. But whether it becomes the foundation of the global financial system will depend on solving scalability, navigating regulation, and staying ahead of the competition. For investors and beginners, the takeaway is this: Ethereum isn't just another coin to speculate on. It represents a movement toward a more open, decentralized financial system. It's risky, it's volatile, but it's also one of the most innovative technologies of our time. The future of finance may not be entirely Ethereum, but one thing is clear: it has already changed the conversation about what money and financial systems can look like. And for anyone paying attention, that's a future worth watching closely.